Hi, this is Manish Pandey. Welcome back. In the previous video, you learned what is version control system and what are the tools available for the version control system. In this video, we'll cover what is Git, what are the features of Git and how it works, and what are the platforms available in the market to use Git. What is Git? Git is one of the most popular open source distributed version control system that helps you manage changes and collaborate with others when working on a UiPath projects. It keeps track of all the different versions of your project so you can always go back to an earlier version if something goes wrong. Let's understand the feature of Git in simple terms and relate it to the UiPath automation. Here I'll be just taking the examples of UiPath automations. Imagine you are building a UiPath project to automate invoice processing for your company. Now you will start this by creating a project in UiPath Studio. So as you start working on the project, you make changes to your workflow, you add few activities, you modify the things to make them work just right. Git helps you keep track of all these changes by recording each step you take. And this includes who made the change, when it was made, and what was changed. This information is valuable for debugging, troubleshooting, and for auditing purpose, that is tracking changes. Now sometimes you want to try out a new feature. You want to do an experiment with a different approach without affecting the main project. So Git lets you create a separate branch for these experiments so that you can work on them without affecting the rest of your project. And if an experiment fails or any issue, it can be easily discarded without impacting the rest of the project. That is called branching. Let's say your colleague is working on the same project. With Git, you can both work on different parts of the project at the same time without getting in each other's way. That is called collaboration. Once you all completed your task and tested the workflow, now after that you have to merge that changes back to the main branch. That is called merging. Now sometimes things don't go as planned and you accidentally break something in your project, then no problem. Git provides the ability to go back to an earlier version of your project, and this ensures that the project can be quickly restored to a known, or you can say a stable version. That is called rollback and recovery. UiPath projects often involve reusable components such as workflows, activities, and libraries. So version control allows developer to store, organize, and share these components within the team. That is called code reusability. Now after that we have code review. So before merging your changes back to the main project, you can review each other's work and leave the comments or suggestions. And this helps ensure that everything is working correctly before it is adding to the main project. And this ensures that the best practices are followed and the code quality is maintained. Now, what are the platform available to use Git? So I have just noted down few. We have GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, and then there are few more we have in the market like Azure repos. Thank you.